Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn our second lesson, health and diseases. Can you recall? Have you ever taken a leave from school due to sickness? Second question, what happens exactly when we become sick? And third, sometimes we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicine in a sickness. Why is it so? So these are the three questions given. You have to recall the answer. So try to write the answer of all that questions. So what is mean by health and what is mean by disease? Health is a state of a complete physical, mental and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. So health is a state of a complete physical. आपकी जो फिजिक आहे किंवा तुमचं शारीरिक, मेंटल, मानसिक आणि सोशल, सामाजिक वेलबिईंगनेस या तिन्ही बाजूंनी जेव्हा तुम्ही अगदी स्टेबल असता, सो दॅट इज अ स्टेट ऑफ अ हेल्थ. वी कॅन से दॅट तुमचं आरोग्य a state of a complete physical, mental and a social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. Disease, as we know, is the word we do that very normally. is म्हणजे सोपं असणं किंवा अगदी सहजतेने होणाऱ्या. when anything because of which you feel disease, ज्या अशी कोणतीही गोष्ट ज्यामुळे तुम्हाला ease फील होत नाही or you are not feeling easy, that is called as a disease. And we know that in any type of a disease we feel like तुम्हाला बरं वाटत नाही किंवा तुमची मेंटल किंवा फिजिकल जी कंडिशन असते दॅट इज नॉट गुड. सो डिसीज इज अ स्टेट वेन यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड फिजिकली, मेंटली और socially. What is a disease? Condition of a disturbance in a psychological or a physiological processes of a body is called as a disease. Condition of a disturbance means which are your physiological or a psychological processes which going on continuously in your day by day life. So disturbances in that processes is nothing but the diseases. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. We know that from the cold to the headache or stomach ache, every disease is having its different reasons and again having different or specific symptoms. मीन्स अगर आपको कोल्ड है तो नोजी होगी या फिर स्नीजिंग होगी या फिर थोड़ा बहुत टेम्परेचर होगा. सो दैट सिम्टम्स आर टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द स्टमक एक. सो एवरी डिसीज हैज़ इट्स ओन स्पेसिफिक सिम्टम्स. टाइप ऑफ डिसीजेस, you must have heard the name of various diseases like diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart disease, etc. Reason and symptoms of all these diseases are different. To bring coordination in a scientific study of diseases are classified as follow. ये जो सारे बहुत सारे हैं diseases like diabetes, this is related with the sugar level of your body or the glucose level of your blood. Common cold that we know, जिसे हम सर्दी कहते हैं, and it is a very regular in all the people. Asthma, it is related with your respiratory system. And a Down syndrome is a disease which is related with the chromosomes present in your body. It's a genetic disorder which is related with the chromosomes present in your cell. Heart disease, anything which is related with your heart. So reasons and symptoms of all that diseases are different. ये diseases क्यों होते हैं and what symptoms it shows. Means diabetes, if the functioning of your melanin or melanin secretion is not proper in your body, it causes diabetes. And the symptoms of a diabetes are totally different. Common cold, again the reasons and symptoms are totally different. So the diseases are classified as follow. There is a table given, yellow color, type of diseases. There are two main type of diseases according to duration and according to reason. According to duration के हिसाब से diseases are classified into two types. First is a chronic disease and second is a acute disease. Again, if we consider the second part, according to reason. What is the reason of that particular disease? Diseases are again classified into two types. First is a hereditary and second is a acquired. So हेरिडिटरी मीन्स जो जेनेटिक होते हैं या फिर एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में पास होते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ हेरिडिटरी डिसीज. एंड डाउन सिंड्रोम इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ हेरिडिटरी डिसीज. इट इज़ अ रिलेटेड विद द chromosomes. Second time is a acquired disease. Acquired disease are again classified into two types, infectious disease and a non-infectious disease. Infectious disease means those which caused by the infections, like a common cold. If today you are feeling like a cold, so and if you are in a school, so in 1 or 2 days your so many friends also cause the same problem. Cold is there, or a flu, or a dengue. Dengue is caused by the bite of mosquitoes, right? But at the same time, so many mosquitoes are present there, and it is a possibility that mosquitoes can bite to anyone. म्हणजे इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज आर दोज ज्याला आपण साथीचे रोग म्हणू शकतो, जे एकदा आले की त्याचं इन्फेक्शन कंटिन्युअसली लोकांना होत जातं खूप साऱ्या. That is called as a infectious disease. Second part is a non-infectious disease. For example, diabetes or a heart disease. Means if anybody is having diabetes at your home, so there is no any possibility of causing of a diabetes to other. Means अगर आपके फादर या फिर आपके मदर को डायबिटीज़ है तो और दिन रात आप उनके साथ रहते हो, सो देर इज़ नो एनी पॉसिबिलिटी कि सिर्फ उनके साथ रहने से आपको डायबिटीज़ हो जाएगा. मीन्स देर इज़ नो एनी पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ अ इन्फेक्शन. So this is a non-infectious disease. So diseases are classified in this way according to duration and according to reason, and again according to reason classified into two types, hereditary and acquired disease, and again acquired disease classified into two types, infectious disease and a non-infectious disease. Next, can you tell how do the following diseases spread? Some name of diseases given in the bracket: hepatitis, malaria, scabies, TB, dengue, dysentery, ringworm and swine flu. We all heard about all that type of diseases. Hepatitis is we can call it as a jaundice again. कावीळ ज्याला आपण कावीळ म्हणतो. Malaria, which is a type of a fever. Scabies, TB is a tuberculosis or dengue, dysentery, ringworm and a swine flu. So you have to write the answer. How do the following diseases spread? हे जे सगळे डिसीजेस आहेत ते कसे स्प्रेड होतात? Which is the medium of the spreading of that diseases? You have to write the answer. What do we mean by pathogen? If you people remember, we have learned that part previous year. What is mean by pathogen? What is the function, or what is the disorders we are causing by the pathogen, and what is mean by the pathogen? What do we mean by infectious diseases? Again, as I told you above, what is mean by infectious diseases? साथीचे रोग म्हणजे काय असतात? So try to write the answer of all these 3 question which is at the beginning of your lesson, and these 3 questions. So here we stop. See that figure, infection through sputum. In this area, when you sneeze or when you cough, the particles from your mouth spread into air. So that is the configuration given of that particles which spread in air. In this area, small droplets are vaporized into fine mist. Those small droplets are vaporized at the upper level. Mist remains in the air for several minutes to few hours. Some particles are stay there in the air for few minutes to some hours, and a largest droplet settle on the ground within few seconds. As we know, nowadays our world is suffering from the corona, and for that we are taking precaution of a mask, because these viruses are also spreading through the air. So that is the type how that viruses or bacteria, or how the pathogens from one to other spread through the air. So here we stop this page. I will continue with the second video on the next page. Try to read all this and try to understand. Thank you.